about to do this. Severe gear. Throw this in here. Come on. Ready. About 3 bolts. I just undid them. I already cleaned them up before I sprayed them, changed them. Take this top one out first. Looks good. Bottom one out now. Make sure we got your washer. Alright. Nice. So yeah, this is my flush with the STP. They look pretty clear. Put the car down. Alright guys, I actually jacked it up on it. So it drained it a little better. That's pretty good, so now get this out the way. Plugs back on. Clean them all off again. This way. That's the other day. So take the wheel. Make sure cork tab up on these gaskets here. The other side too. It's actually protected better than anything else you can get. So it's gonna be good to go. I'll just slip that back in there. Coat this gasket. Looks good. Put that back on top. Clean this all off. Alright. Oh, wait. I need this one off. Duh. Okay, I'm going to take the right one off. Make sure we're in there so I don't restrict it. Oops. 26 foot. That's good. That's good. Almost there. We're gonna take a long cork. This is like so. Hold my finger to the tempo. Just pour it on in. It's almost on. Alright, now I'm just gonna level her out. Yep. Squeeze. Yeah, they're pretty perfect. Try to see this one. Is this one out? We'll fix that. That's tight. Loosen up. Again. Alrighty, that's it.